Are you running PPC or Google Ads? Then you need to see these 10 tools. When you're setting up your campaign, do you need a checklist? This is the one we use in our agency. Want to learn an easier way to organize all your keywords and then put them all together with ad groups and then upload them all to Google all at one time? That's what our spreadsheets are for. Do you have a service business? These are the keywords you should be using. One of the biggest mistakes we see is not enough negative keywords in campaigns. We put together a list of more than 2,300 keywords and we've broken them down into 24 different categories. Search through it and copy and paste them into your campaign. This saves us thousands of dollars in every campaign we use. Want to learn how to write dozens of ads in a matter of minutes and then uploading all of them to Google in a matter of seconds? This tool saves us hours per week. Ever just want to take a high-level overview and look at a few numbers to see how well your ads are doing? This is what helps us keep track of that month over month. Got problems with your ads? This checklist will help you figure out what's wrong with them. Want to see just how much your Google ads are wasting? This worksheet helps you figure that out. Want to get an idea if you have the right budget or if your campaign will be profitable? This calculator will help you do that. Are your ads costing too much? This worksheet will help you figure out how to get those costs down. Want to figure out how well your marketing is working and where your leads are coming from? This lead tracking worksheet's been downloaded over 2,000 times. And a little email swipe file. Copy these emails and send them to your customers to keep them coming back for more. All 12 of these tools are available inside our PPC toolbox. Click the link below to find out more information.